100% renewable energy or get blacklisted. This was the biggest dilemma CEO was facing. CEO of automotive industry based in Maharashtra got an ultimatum from the board to go green 100% level. Why? Because top 2 customers contributing 70% of their revenue has given them ultimatum to go green by 2027. CEO was under pressure to take this path of going green because he found out their competitors either at RE50 level, RE70 level, or some are at RE100 level. He was determined to take his company to renewable energy path, but he had many questions in his mind. From where should I start? What are the solutions that I should evaluate? What are the sequence in which I should evaluate these solutions, and how much replacement each solution would give? Normal questions. Anyone starting this journey will have these questions. So here I am making this video for this CEO and for all of you so that you can get step-by-step clarity on what are the solutions which are available for you, how to evaluate those solutions, and how much replacement in each of the renewable energy solution that you can take. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1 is the on-site solutions. These are the solutions which can be set up within the premises. There are 3 important parameters to look at. The resources. It uses mostly solar as a resource. The solution can be set up either on the ground mount or on the car parking or on the rooftop. The solution can be procured under 3 financial structure, either CapEx, OpEx, or a deferred CapEx structure. Very less reliance on regulations and can give you easily 5 to 20% replacement. The first solution you should evaluate. Once you have done this, go to the second solution, which is an off-site solution. This is a solution which is typically set up outside your plant premises, either within the state or outside the state. Resources can be solar, solar wind, hybrid, solar plus wind plus BESS. There are multiple options. Solutions are possible are like interstate, which is like outside the state, or intrastate, which is like within the state kind of solutions. And the financial structure under which you can procure is the CapEx structure, group captive, and third-party financial structure. These are the solutions which can give you easily 50 to 60% replacement. These are riskier, highly regulatory driven, but the replacement is higher. Before I tell you next 2 solutions, here is an invitation for you. Invitation to book a one-on-one consultation call with me and my team. In this call, what we are going to do is to decode your electricity bill, walk you through on-site, off-site, and different solutions. After the call, you will get a clarity which solution to go for and why. This 1-hour call will give you at least 10x value because it's going to save at least 5 months of your time doing this in-house versus getting it done with the experts who have done it 141 times already. So click on the link below. Book a one-on-one consultation call with me and my team, and I look forward to see you in the call. Now coming back to the third, my favorite solution is called as a virtual PPA solution. In this, you enter into a power purchase agreement virtually only to procure the greener attributes of the plant. This is not a cost-saving solution as of now. You will incur the cost, but this will give you roughly around 10-15% replacement. And trust me, if you think the green will be expensive in future, invest into virtual PPA now. Fourth, and the last one is the battery energy storage system. The way the storage cost is coming down, the more attractive this solution is becoming. And this is a critical solution because you can save the excess generation from solar during the day hours, store it in the storage, and utilize in the evening when it is the peak hours. Very attractive solution to mitigate your peak hours requirement. It's not at a cost parity as of now, except in some states or in some situation. And now, in fact, the central government and some of the state governments are mandating that you should definitely have some percentage of your solar or wind solution as BESS solution. This is the future. This is a futuristic solution that you should invest into. I hope you found value in this video, and as a CEO, as a management, got clarity. What are the buckets of the solution that you should go for? How much replacement that they can give you? What are the risks and how to evaluate them? If you found this video valuable, click on the subscribe button because my videos will come to you on a real-time basis. I look forward to see you in my next video. Thank you.